This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Automatic CVT Transaxle Fluid Change. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. After the vehicle has been driven to warm up the fluid, apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Place a drain pan under the transaxle drain plug, then remove the plug. Be sure the drain pan is in position, as fluid will come out with some force. Once the fluid is drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. With the engine off, remove the transaxle dipstick and add the correct type of new fluid to the CVT transaxle through the dipstick tube, using a funnel to prevent spills. It is best to add a little fluid at a time, checking the level with the dipstick. Allow the fluid time to drain into the pan. With the engine idling, wipe off the dipstick with a clean rag, then push it all the way into the tube until the cap seats. Pull the dipstick out again and note the fluid level. Add fluid a little at a time until it's up to the cool level mark on the dipstick. As the vehicle is driven, the fluid level will rise closer to the upper mark. Once the fluid level is correct, insert the dipstick fully into the tube until it locks.